rather recommend MITT to adults making career shift, mag-shift ng career, or to Filipino fresh K-12 graduates?
Okay. All right. Sige. So for this question, I will choose Filipino K-12 graduates.
Bakit? Ayaw mo ba sa mga adult na nagtatrabaho? And that's not,
Makapit siya eh.
hindi yun offensive, guys. I'm just
Mm-mm.
asking. Kung,
Yeah.
is it because may age limit? Or is it because yung mga programs ba ay for grade 12 lang, design?
Okay. Sige, balikan muna natin yung sa adults na nagtatrabaho, no? Actually, good option din sa kanila yung programs sa MITT. It's because, lalo na if intention la to work part-time, well, for sure, for K-12 graduates, intention din naman talaga to work part-time. Kasi, number one advantage, kasi yung programs yung classes ni MITT ay fixed. So, may makikita kayo na morning section, afternoon section, evening section.
Okay. Pero, how long usually ang class naglalast?
It's
in a week?
in a week
Or in a day?
Per day, it's about 4 to 5 hours per day.